This is Tejas from Kinto. Before we get started with our topic for today, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. We are here at Destination Moto Pune and we will be shopping for motorcycle accessories. Tank pad is an obvious first pick as it helps avoiding scratches on your tank which might occur due to exposed zippers on your jacket or buttons on your shirt. Gear lever damages your shoe while riding. We recommend you riding with your riding boots, but then there are times when you have to ride with your favorite sneaker. Gear shifts off to the rescue. Even in my hometown, I need assistance from GPS. It's not very easy when phone is in the pocket. Phone holder, cum charger makes perfect sense in those situations. There are enough anti-theft features on my motorcycle, but I would like to add one more. Disc lock. This thing is a mechanical immobilizer. Even if someone manages to break my handle lock, the bike isn't going anywhere. These are some of the motorcycle accessories I'd recommend to any new motorcycle owner. Use the coupon code displayed on your screen to avail exciting new offers at Destination Moto Pune. Until then, goodbye.